Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
If you are looking for the best LEGO sets, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. LEGO 10698 Classic Brick Box. The classic large creative brick box contains 790 pieces, and it's designed for children ages 4 and up. There are 33 different colors in the set, and in addition to standard bricks, you also get base plates, windows, doors, wheels and eyes. So whether your kids want to build a LEGO city from the ground up or create cars to race, this kit has all the pieces they need to unleash their imaginations. This LEGO set comes in a plastic storage container that makes. Number 2. LEGO 60097 City Town Building Toy. The LEGO City Square kit is perfect for kids ages 6 to 12, as it will let them create their very own town, complete with buildings, cars, and even a tram. The kit includes pieces and instructions for a LEGO store, a delivery truck, car dealership, several cars, coffee shop, hot dog stand, and numerous other structures. Plus, there's a tram that's 14 inches long, as well as a tram station where little LEGO people can wait. Once kids have constructed their new city, they can populate it with the 12 LEGO figures in the set, including a saleswoman, pizza delivery man, tram driver, dog, and more. Number 3. LEGO 10572 Large LEGO Bricks. The LEGO Duplo all-in-one box of fun includes a set of Duplo bricks, which are bigger and easier to handle than traditional LEGOs, making them perfect for toddlers over 18 months. The all-in-one box of fun, which comes in a plastic storage container, has 62 colored pieces, including numbered bricks, windows, a car base, and 2 figures, a dog and a boy. The Duplo bricks can be used just like regular LEGOs. Kids can stack them together to create houses, vehicles, animals, and more. What's nice is that the bricks are large enough for toddlers to handle and play with safely. Number 4. LEGO MINDSTORMS EV3 31313 Robot Kit. The LEGO MINDSTORMS EV3 Robot Kit includes all the motors, sensors and software needed for teenagers to build and program 5 working LEGO robots. The LEGO MINDSTORMS EV3, ideal for kids 10 and up, is certainly more expensive than many other LEGO sets, but it delivers big in terms of functionality and versatility. Teens will be able to build 5 unique robots with the kit, includes models that shoot balls, navigate rough terrain, and slither like a snake. In addition to more than 500 LEGO Technic pieces, the EV3 robot kit includes 3 motors, a remote control, and various sensors that monitor things like touch and color. Number 5. LEGO 75257 Star Wars. This kit, which boasts more than 1,300 pieces, has everything kids 9 and up need to create a 17-inch long replica of the famous starship and go exploring throughout the galaxy. This kit will take kids plenty of time to assemble, but they won't be disappointed when they finish the iconic ship. The LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon is full of cool features that make it even more lifelike. There are rotating laser turrets, spring-loaded shooters, and more.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.